Hi guys! Welcome back to Jem's Kitchen. Today's recipe, gagawa tayo ng igado guys, which is an Ilocano recipe. So, kailangan natin ng mga sumusunod na ingredients. 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of fine black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 medium whole onion, 3 pieces of small garlic, 2 medium size of potato, 1 carrot, 1 red bell pepper, 1/4 pork liver, 1/4 pork belly, chickpeas, and 2 cups of water guys. But pwede kayong mag-add ng 1 cup of water lang. Depende pa rin sa prefer nyo guys. But I add 2 cups of water para mas saucy siya guys, no? And then, nakalimutan ko ilagay yung cups of water dyan guys. So, I'm really sorry. And then, proceed to the next, which is ilalagay natin yung ating paglulutuan na kawali or kaserola guys. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating mantika at paiinitin natin muna ito guys bago igisa ang bawang at sibuyas. So, ayan guys. So, hintayin muna natin na uminit yung mantika bago natin ilagay yung bawang at isunod yung sibuyas guys. So, makikita nyo naman guys, tatansya nyo naman kung okay na ba yung mantika, and then kapag okay na, mainit na, then yun yung na-signal na point na kailangan nyo nang ilagay yung bawang guys. So ayan, nilagay na yung bawang. So tapos haluin na guys. After ilagay ng bawang, kailangan nating haluin para masigurado natin na hindi ito masusunog guys. So ayan, so make sure also na nasa mababang, mahinang lang apoy yung inyong guys, gas stove, kasi baka masyadong malakas, masunog, madaling masunog yung mga ilalagay yung ingredients guys. So that's it. Hayaan nyo muna na maging golden brown or depende sa inyo. And then pwede nyo nang isunod yung sibuyas. Ayan, haluin natin. And next is nilagay ko na yung pork guys. So hindi ko na nakuhanan ng video, but nilagay ko na yung pork and nilagay ko na rin yung 2 cups of water pagkatapos magmantika ng baboy guys. So ayun, and papakuluan muna natin. Yan, hayaan muna natin na kumulo guys, and then pwede na natin isunod ang susunod nating ingredient, which is the pork liver or yung atay guys. So I'm really sorry for the video, masyadong hindi magandang angulo ang pagkakakuha guys, yung posisyon ng camera. I'm really sorry. But as you can see guys, nakikita nyo naman na na-add na natin yung atay, and you need to mix it up guys. So haluin lang natin. And hayaan din natin na kumulo guys. And then, yan yung kinalabasan guys ng paghalo ng baboy at ng atay guys. So ayan. Haluin lang natin. And then hayaan natin na kumulo. The next, pwede na natin ilagay ang next ingredient natin, which is yung patatas guys. So yan, kinat ko na pahaba na lang yung patatas. Depende pa rin sa gusto nyo guys, sa prefer nyo, kung anong klaseng size, or pwede bigyan ng different designs or something. Pwede pa-stand or pa-box guys, depende sa inyo. So yan, yun na lang nilagay ko para mas maganda siyang tignan guys, kasi pahaba siya. And then magandang, hindi masyadong mahirap. Yun. So, ayan guys. So, next, pwede natin ilagay yung ating carrots guys. So, ayan. Lagyan natin and haluin lang natin. Gaya ng ginawa natin. And pinakuluan ko guys for 1 minute. Yan yung kinalabasan guys. Of course, tinakpan ko. And ngayon, kailangan nating haluin. So, nakita nyo guys, no, may sauce siya. Maraming sabaw kasi nilagay ko 2 cups of water. Pwede pa rin yan. Pwede na natin ilagay susunod ingredient, yung toyo natin guys, or yung soy sauce. So yan, haluin natin. Kapag nilagay natin, haluin natin na mabuti guys para maging balance at masigurado natin na magiging malasa ang ating igado guys. So ayan, i-mix natin. The next is lalagyan natin yung ating chickpeas. Yan. And then i-mix ulit natin guys. So walang katapusang paghahalo ito guys. Yan, haluin natin ng mabuti. Yan, and yan, nakikita nyo na Luto na. And then next is yung ating red bell pepper. Lagay na natin. Of course, hahaluin ulit, guys. So, haluin. Walang katapusang paghahalo yan, guys. Of course. Then yan. And then, hayaan muna natin, guys, for at least 2 to 3 minutes na kumulo. Huwag masyadong malakas na apoy, guys. Pero hayaan natin. And then, boom! Yan yung kinalabasan, guys. Yan yung Igado, which is an Ilocano recipe. So, pwede yung i-serve sa family nyo. And that's it. Thank you, guys, for watching.